I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. The Ambrane 10,000 mAh Magsafe is charged, and your phone supports magnetic Qi charging. Once done, press the power button to wake it. LEDs indicate remaining capacity. Connect the USB-C input if you need to top up the bank before use. Then align your phone to the magnetic puck. Feel the click, so charging begins. Make sure you remove thick cases or metal plates because they block power transfer and reduce heat management and efficiency. You now proceed to optimize charging. First, center the phone on the Magsafe surface. A firm snap signals correct alignment, which ensures stable 7.5W15W transfer depending on device. Once aligned, watch the phone's charging indicator and the power bank LEDs. Blinking may mean negotiation or thermal regulation. If you need simultaneous output and input, make sure the unit supports USB pass-through. Otherwise, avoid charging and discharging at once. Also, you finish by monitoring the session. When your phone reaches 100%, detach it to stop magnetic charging and conserve bank capacity. Then recharge the Ambrane via USB-C PD for the fastest refill. Make sure the charger supports the required wattage. If charging stops early, check 3 things. Reposition the phone, swap the USB-C cable, and ensure no metal objects sit between devices. If none work, reset the unit by holding the power button for several seconds, because that clears minor faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.